to my YouTube channel. Now, I was going to include this video as part of like a weekly vlog or day in the life, but I actually think it deserves its own video. I was very kindly asked by a company by the name of Rolling Dog if I would like to try and to review some of their painting products, so paintbrushes. As some of you may know, if you've been with me for a while, I'm always on the change. Always changing things around. We've recently redecorated our bathroom. Well, actually, we've had a refurb of the bathroom. Consequently, like some of the hallway got knocked, as expected. I mean, we took pictures off the walls, etc. Moved a lot of the things out of the way, but you know, things do still get kind of caught, don't they? Especially if you're taking old bathroom furniture out, like literally stripping it out, putting in a new bathroom. It was inevitable that it would happen. So we have been planning on redecorating the hallway and the landing for a while, but have been putting it off for this reason until after the bathroom's done. So when Rolling Dog did ask me if I would like to, as I say, to try and to review some of the paintbrushes, I jumped at the chance. Of course, Chris, my husband, has done all the demonstration. I videoed him doing it because it was right up his street. He does like a new paintbrush and, you know, DIY stuff and all that sort of stuff. So in this video, you will see Chris doing the undercoated, already prepped the newel post up and down, so the top and the bottom of the banister. He has also explained that when it comes to doing the painting properly, he will be rubbing down the whole of the banister and repainting that, but for the purposes of the video he literally concentrated on the newel post so that we could show you the brushes in operation. And as I say, Chris is doing the commentary, so let's get on to that part of the video now. Enjoy.
I'd like to introduce you to Rolling Dog paintbrushes. We will put more photographs up on the video. This is a 30mm or 1 inch for use with all paints, either water-based or oil. Water-based being your emulsions, oil being your glosses. Okay, there's the brush. Seems very well made, nice comfortable handle. So here goes. I've done the prep of sanding down.
So how does it feel, that brush?
Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
And
it doesn't look like you're going to get any like loss of bristles or anything.
No, that's what I was going to say. The bristles seem well attached.
So what's this? Is this an undercoat or?
This is a primer.
A primer.
Yeah. So the gloss paint that I will do later when this is dry and hardened. It helps to spread it very well, I say that. You know, load the brush up and...
Seems like a really nice quality brush.
Yeah, I could want to throw away all my old ones.
Yeah, maybe invest in some more of this particular brand.
Yeah.
Especially
Well,
as
I've got more downstairs, which we'll talk about a bit later in the video.
But especially as we're going to be redecorating the hallway, the landing. I'll just show you the landing and the hallway. Yeah. This is where we've taken some pictures off the wall. We've recently just had a new bathroom put in, and of course there's a bit of damage to the walls now. So we are redecorating.
This was to try the brushes out to see whether the product is good, and so far, so good.
Yeah, it's not a bodge job, it's for the purpose of the videos, we're just like trying it on the newel post.
That's very good, actually.
No excuses for decorating
Oh, shush.
the rest of the house now, because he's found the perfect brush. Right then, guys, I guess we'll see you back when we do the satin.
Yeah.
Is it? What are you doing next?
I'm
that
doing
dries?
the gloss next.
Oh, you're doing the gloss when that dries.
Yeah, I'm doing the gloss next.
But you're going to be going downstairs to do the post downstairs, aren't you, as well?
Try this brush, which is angled, which is perfect for cutting in. Hence the angle, but I'm going to use it just to do the top of the newel post. Perfect for cutting in there, look at that. There we go.
And there we have it. What do you think? He was very, very pleased with them. He said they were great paintbrushes. They felt really nice to use in the hand. The bristles were great. Nothing came out in the paint or anything like that. He used two different brushes. For the gloss, he used like more of an angular brush. And he explained, as you know, all the reasons why he enjoyed that brush. Please excuse me, I've got a dreadful cold at the moment and my voice is about to go. So I do hope that you've enjoyed this small demonstration, and don't you find there's something nice about having new paint brushes every time you paint. But because these are new, I think they're going to last you some time. Do you, Chris?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah.
They're very well made, very, the ones with the curved handle, very nice to hold.
Yeah.
Especially if you've got a limited mobility in your hand. I found it very easy to hold.
Yeah, or even mobility.
Mobility, what did I say?
Motability.
Mobility, yeah.
So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you're in the market for looking for new paintbrushes, of course it's that kind of time of year when a lot of us decorate before Christmas for some reason. Why not head over to the website and take a look at what they offer. So I'd like to take this opportunity once again to thank Rolling Dog for asking me to review the brushes. I will talk to you all in my next video. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed. Please give the video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. And don't forget to switch on the notification bell. Meanwhile, look after yourselves, everyone. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.